We are in Mexico. Mexico. The bed just jerk. The bed just jerk. Just like that, breakfast was served. Listen, the pancakes were delicious. Those scrambled egg, Mexican type scrambled eggs were yummy. The rice on the side, very seasoned, very nice. Plus the beans. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's the bus rider that gave them a town. Oh my god. Bumpy, swing go so. Oh my god, we're out in Mexico. Just walking around. I'm gonna turn around. You see the food up here so not good. I love it here. And it's my first day, but we're wasting a half a day so far. So we need to get out of here and get going. It's a beautiful day to be in Mexico. Absolutely beautiful. Good morning from Mexico. It looks beautiful. This is the lagoon view. Those are the big red bus. I think we need to get on. There's that one. We get on a big red bus and we get dropped off in the city, in the town, for like $1 USD or something like that. I'm going to find out at the front desk. But yeah, this is Mexico. This is Mexico, people. This is Mexico. Good morning from Mexico. I'm going to bed, freshen up, get myself together, and get out of here. Wow, we in Mexico. 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 Okay, I'm going to get ready. We are in Mexico. Mexico. The bed just jerk. The bed just jerk. Little bed. But we're in Mexico. Mexico. We're in Mexico. What? That's crazy. Where the money reside, Okay, so we finally make it outside. So we're going downstairs. We're going to find some food right now. I think we're going to find some food right now. I look cute, like real cute. This is what I'm wearing. Hi. I look really cute. We're going for food. We're going for breakfast. Let's see. And this is the ground floor. That's really pretty. Looking at myself in the mirror. Alright, this is probably a nice mirror, so I can probably see myself in it. Hi. We're going for breakfast. Alright, let's go for breakfast. To the front desk and ask on the front desk. Alright, so we're going to try to find some direction on where to go and how to get there. We need some pesos. I need some pesos. I have a lot of USD. Let's go get it. Alright, so we're gonna have to take the bus and we're going to get some money change first. So to get money change, we have to go across the road and up the road. Fix my necklace. I'm really excited. I'm never going to see these people again, so I'm making a video on my one video. What should I do here? Ooh, let's try this. It's freaking windy. The breeze actually up. The skirts up going in the air. Wow, see the bus there. I think I bus that. Like, me never feel breeze like this before. The breeze literally moved me. Oh, see the bus there pass. Yes, the breeze moved me. I kid you not. Alright, we're trying to cross the road. The camera move real fast. Alright. Them said go up the road. We get our money exchange. I feel like that's worse. Alright. We're outside like white line in the road. That's what I'm saying. Oh my god, we're out in Mexico. Just walking around. Wonder how much of the exchange rate. Get some money. The breeze strong. God damn. So we're at the gas station. We found a money exchange. I can hear how much someone exchange money for. Previously. Hello. So we're trying to get our money exchange. It's 6:44. Okay. And is there any fee?
16 pound. 16 pound. $1.
$1 fee. Okay. Here you are. That's the rate right here. And this is how much in some I could get. Focus. Focus. And then
500, 600, 20, 40.
alright, so let's see. 500. Thank you. 5, 6, 640. Thank you. Alright, so we get our money change. Now, a time. We'll walk on to pharmacy. We need to get something at the pharmacy. And then it's time to go and look food. I feel like I have it locked down. Okay, so we're trying to get some saline solution for contact lens here. I think with cash is like 225 pesos for it. This is how the pharmacy looks here. And they have water. So that's the hotel I was staying at, Presidente Intercontinental Cancun Resort. Okay.
5-star play big mood, let's fly down west for food. I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a dog doing rhythm and blues. Hotel trip, let me grip and shoot, come on old back shots to my tune.
Okay, alright, come over, come over. Oh, alright. Coco Bongo. Thank you. So as you can see, I hopped on a bus and I got going for the day. Listen, the bus was a bit crowded, but I was just there with my phone because in my mind, I'm like, no one is going to ever see me again. I can vlog freely. So first I got on a bus. Tip. If you're in Cancun, you just go to the bus stop and take the R1 bus and it takes you directly into the town. If you're in the town and you need to get back to your hotel, just take a R1 bus because they all stop at the hotels. Bus stops are normally at each hotel and they go back to and from the city to the hotel side on the coast. So that is a pro tip. Now on the bus, another recommendation I would give: get your money change, do your exchange, find a money exchange place, change out your USD to Mexican pesos because it will come in really handy. The bus was like 1 peso for the journey, so it wasn't bad. I think it was on 1 peso, 1 USD for the journey, so it was reasonable. Now they make a lot of stops on the bus, so don't worry if you have to stand. I had to stand at first, and then after I got a nice little seat and I sat down and I could take in my journey. Yeah, it was pretty good. I won't complain. So I just ensured that I had Google Maps. So what I did was use, I think it's Airlo or something like AIRLAO. I think that's the name of the app that I use to ensure that I had data service and the data carried me through properly. So here I am just chilling on the bus, relaxing, taking in a view. Listen, I killed them with the hola, ¿cómo estás? I used up every bit of Spanish that I knew on my trip in Mexico. But anyways, it wouldn't be a DJ vlog. It wouldn't be a D the Traveler vlog if I didn't get lost. So I got off the bus thinking I'm at the right spot. Got off at the wrong spot. Walking. Couldn't find a location. Saw some police officers. And let's see. Listen, the bus ride. I'm gonna bring down the brightness. The bus ride that I give down a town. Oh my god. Bumpy, swing go so. Anyways, we're trying to find a restaurant now. The funny thing, is that the police car them look exactly like in the movies. They look like exactly like in the movies. It's so weird being out here. Me know me not understand a lick of what I say, but we're in Mexico. Alright, this place is cool. Alright, we're gonna try to find a way to the restaurant now. Just gonna me yay. This is in my eyes. Just got into my eyes. Oh, this is a far way around. But look cute. Oh, this is nice. Dining, shopping, entertainment, art. That looks cool. Send me to the purple vehicle. Look exactly like what the purple vehicle looks. Policia, touristica, tourist police. Policia. Alright, I'm gonna just quickly walk up. Oh, there's a McDonald's gas station. Policia. So, we're asking the police where it is. Alright, so hello? Nobody know where the restaurant is. Oh my god. Alright, we have to go. We have to go somewhere else. Probably go somewhere else. Then try to find one restaurant, but no one. I don't know where it is. But the accent here, don't know where it is. Alright, so we came to the wrong area. I know. Like here it's oily. No one to go back. But it's like when we cross the freeway. We came to the wrong area. If you ever go into El Agradecido, I'm going to talk to you. If you ever go to El Agradecido, you have to go to it's in Cocobongo. But I've been over the gas city. I'm hungry now. I want a little breakfast. But there's people breakfast food. I really want some breakfast food. I feel for breakfast food. But baby, we come all the way out here, so and I have to go back. So the first bus I took, right? I took one bus. When it left me at Cocobongo, that's where I should have gotten off. But guess what? Apple Maps did I send me up the road. So I got on another bus. And look at me now, looking like a clown. I never did get on a bus there. So, nowhere to go back down. Oh, crab house. We're so easily distracted. But now I'm going to get on my next bus. Go back down. And try again. And it's almost dinner time. So I'm going to do breakfast now. Anyways. Let's do this. I'm tired. So I jumped on this bus and I headed back down to Cocobongo area. Now in Cocobongo area is where this cute cafe is and the food was exceptional. I went to this restaurant like 3 times while I was in Mexico. Yeah, it was that good. Really, really delicious. It was a quiet place. I love that about it. And the staff were extremely friendly. So I love that. Yeah. Quiet, good food, good stuff. Yes, give me that any day of the week, anytime. So I had a good time there. So this was the journey back to Cocobongo area to try and go and have brunch. I just want you to know that I have been using up my Spanish. I just shouted parada. That's supposed to be like stop. That's supposed to be stop. Yeah, I'm gonna use up my Spanish. When you cross the road, I think. Then I use my Spanish. So gracias multiple times so far. Oh my god. The dust was going in my eye just now. That was sickening. Alright. We're gonna try to find a way across the road. The dust was out here, disgusting. Alright, we need to find the restaurant. Sometimes I need to wash out my eye. I will need to wash out my eyes. The dust was out here, disgusting. Okay, let's find the restaurant. Alright, so we're gonna try to find a place, but we can show you the city in the meantime. We can show you Cancun in the meantime. I'm hungry. I'm tired. God damn. The wind will blow out here. Ridiculous. The dust will blow with the wind. Ridiculous. I didn't have to put on my glasses. Makes it extreme. I guess we can. Oh man, I'm gonna know. May I try not to be overwhelmed, but
your destination is on the
I will find a place. You see, if I'm gonna turn around. You see, if the food up is not good, everything I get burned up. The amount of things that we go through, we'll find this one restaurant. That one. contact. Alright, so we found it. Let's see if we can get some. Okay, so we got to the restaurant and it was absolutely beautiful. Now, a lot of music was playing in the background, so unfortunately, I cannot play the audio for you, but it had some really good music going. As I said before, ambience, beautiful, 10 out of 10. It was empty, so no one was there. So guess what? It could be said that I paid for the entire cafe just for me. Just for me for that day. Come on, how many people can say that they do that? Excuse me. So anyways, I had the cafe for myself. The servers came to help. The owner actually came out to welcome me to the restaurant, showed me the menu and everything, and I got some time to just peruse the menu, to look it over, and then decide what I wanted to get. Of course, I went with mango water. It's basically like the blend some mango juice and then they add water to it, so it's really good, really healthy, very refreshing. And then I had a massive plate and I got some to go as well because I had to take back some to the hotel. But the portion was large for the amount of money. Well, I'm not really sure what was the calculation. What was the exchange rate like, but I think it was extremely reasonable for the portion that you were getting. Really good, really enjoyed myself. And then I went and took some photos. Here's a quick look at the menu so you can kind of understand the pricing. This is in Mexican pesos. So yes, this is the menu. Listen, I'm gonna say my look. Listen, out here, dusty. But we're here, we're going to have breakfast. I'm gonna come over to this side because now the floors are in the background. It has been a day. Let me take off the glasses. Been at the glasses because out here really dusty. But we're about to have breakfast. My lips feel extra dry. I have been through it. I've been on 3 buses to get here. 3 buses to get here for food. For food, I'll do anything for food. Well, not anything. But I was supposed to go out for dinner tonight. And it's after 3 now. We're just getting like breakfast. Careless. Anyways, what was I saying? It has been such a struggle to get to this restaurant. I got lost twice. But I made it here now. I mean, if you calculate how much this come up to, if I have enough money. I mean, if you calculate how much money I have. But separate and apart from that, in Cancun, I will say this: it's dusty, it's windy, like the breeze, the wind that blows in this side of the world literally moves you. It moves your body. One song goes up, move your body. No, but it move your body. When I left out of the hotel, I could literally feel the wind pushing me down. Crazy. But outside of that, it has been good. I like it here. It's tropical, in a foreign country. I just glow differently when I travel. Just look at the ambience. Just look at how beautiful this place is. I will not lie. The beauty of this place and the fact that the food was so good, that was remarkable. Breakfast is served after 3 in the day. This jug, I have to close the jug. It's so huge, but this is the mango water. Oh my god! So the food match the beauty. Yeah, healthy. Yes. Okay, and just so it's time to eat. So let's try. Let's dig in. That jug here, massive. That's because my head. Okay, so I'm going to be jumping in and out because of the whole audio problem, but this is me getting ready to dive in and listen, they did not disappoint. The rice actually flavorful. The rice actually having flavor. Mmm, okay. I see you. The rice actually having flavor. Mm-hmm. Would recommend. But then we can eat on later. Syrup, syrup. Real syrup. Okay, let's try that. Shit back something. Let's try this pancakes. These are big. Alright, we definitely have to come back here another day. Wow. Alright, so I got on the bus to return to the hotel, right? I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can hear me. But got on the bus to return to the hotel. No, we end up having to stand up because the bus full. Right? I stop in a bus, easy thing that. I didn't even the bus them loud. I didn't even turn on the time them. So you know a simple 1, 2 to stand up in a bus. Stand up in the bus now. God, them loudy. Let me go up on the sidewalk. Anyways, bus a rock and a rock and a rock. So I apologize that I stepped on a few people toes, right? I apologize. Maybe check my surroundings, you know. Anyways, the bus still there. I rock, the food that me I bring, I shake, but me I watch, me I look through the window them. Oh, me can't talk Creole the entire channel, me I talk some English. So I was looking through the windows, right? Trying to recognize my stop. We'll come up on my stop now. I locate the buzzer in the bus where you press the buzzer to get off the bus. I pressed the buzzer one time, the man not stop. We're past my stop now. I pressed the buzzer a second time, the man still not stop. I held down. I held down on that buzzer in that bus. Then the man stopped way up the road. So see? Me have to walk. Go back to the hotel. Them food are probably cold by now. But I way up the road the man carry me, you know? And my mother always say, don't make nobody carry you past your stop. The man definitely bring me past my stop. That's not me, no. For sure. Anyways, I really like the back alley thing, you know. We're kind of on like a back alley. I don't even know if you can see me. Me I sweat. Check my surroundings. You can see me? Hopefully you can see me and hear me. Whoa. May I set my hand tired. I'm look cute though. Gucci slides. We're supposed to have dinner tonight, but I'm slightly full. I still have food. Oh, this is the bicycle walk. Oh, I'm sweaty. Listen. I always have to check my surroundings. The man really carried me way past me stop, you know? Anyways, I'm going to sit on the beach. Hey, I feel like any rich person, you know? They're on holiday in the middle of the week, at the beginning of the week, on vacation in Cancun. Getting it out. No, I'm eating out. Never gonna delete that out of the video. It's a lovely day to be alive. You know, in the other videos them, I said thank you to my job. Really and truly, thank you to my job. And my job, thank you to my job. I'm trying to video in the right orientation. And my job, thank you to my job. Anyways, we're trying to head back to the hotel now. We're going to relax on the beach. I'm going to relax on the beach. I'm not staying in a hotel room. So yeah, bye. So this is a room. You have a sitting area right here for your bags. The bed is really big. A nice little single painting right there. And then you can look outside. I can't bother to lift it up. Outside is like really beautiful.
Bossy. 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 Bossy.
The beach is absolutely beautiful. That's the bar right there. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Oh, the pretty lights. That's nice.
I need your loving,
I want to
so
sit
fresh,
down.
so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean.
So we're on the sing song. I try to sing myself. I don't know if you can hear me. It's absolutely beautiful. It's windy. It's nice. I try to get lighting, proper lighting. Proper lighting. But yeah. Okay, so it's probably going to rain. I think it's gonna rain. The water is so beautiful. This is like one of the pools. It's a bit chilly, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Tomorrow I'm gonna come and take a better video. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have a spa right there and a shop. So we're going into the park. The bathroom is absolutely, hi, my little homeless, absolutely beautiful. It's so cute. I look so cute. Hello. Hello. Here's how I look today. It's absolutely cute. Alright, it's the bathroom. What's that in my lights?
Buenas noches.
Oh, buenas noches.
¿Están?
Is he here? There's not much of my light. Oh, I look like you giving more light. Let me see it. Is it clear now? You have to turn on your. It's so windy. Okay, let me just quickly jump in that if you're in Mexico, Cancun, definitely try this restaurant. 10 out of 10. Navius, I think that was the name of it. Drop a comment if you really want, if you want a name or if you want me to check to confirm the name. Listen, service was 10 out of 10. I had the Jamaican chino or Jamaican chili drink. It was a spicy type sorrel drink. If you're from Jamaica, then you know sorrel. My coconut shrimp, delicious, unique presentation, fresh vegetables. And the steak reminded me of beef that I had in Japan. It was like wagyu. And the thing about it, it was like medium rare and it was still well cooked. Delicious. I like the fact that the bread, they had the butter, the spicy butter, the regular butter wrapped in banana leaf. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I enjoyed it. No, the dogs are barking in the background, but I really enjoyed this restaurant. Would definitely recommend. If you're in Cancun, Mexico, and it's really late, just get an Uber. And the buses run kind of late as well, so that is a plus. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Love you. Now tell me that is not giving 10 out of 10 presentation. Fresh vegetables. The portion of the rice is a bit small, but the pineapple under the bottom of the coconut, come on. And of course the steak, it didn't come with rice. It came with some mashed potatoes. Listen, yummy, 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 yummy. And I had to take some time to show my drink. And that is it on the menu. Just Jamaica corn chili. Hold on. Bus is here. Yes, I wanted to take my coconuts home. But we were kind of like the last set of people to leave, and I wanted to quickly show you the ambience that came with this restaurant. Listen, it was absolutely beautiful. They had like a little case for the wine, the bohemian style. It was so beautiful, and it was right on the sea, right above the sea. Like, so if I went earlier on in the day, I would be able to see like I think crocodiles are there or something like that. It's some wild animals are out there, but we went a bit late, so we didn't get to see that. And yes, we jumped on the bus to head home. We wanted to try the bus because I had the experience in the day, and I said it was pretty exciting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Catch you in tomorrow's vlog. So I hope you're liking the vlogs. Bye.